Use 2 small flathead screwdrivers to pry. Open the decorative cover. Use a 3mm electric hex screwdriver to remove the 2 Allen screws. Pry open the orange decorative cover from the right side. Unscrew the 19 bottom plate screws with the 2.5mm electric hex screwdriver. Unscrew the 4 battery screws with the 4mm Allen key. Unscrew the 2 controller screws with the 3mm Allen key. Carefully cut off the cable tie and unplug the cables. Test the battery voltage with the multimeter. Turn it on by rotating the knob to DC 200 volts range. Plug the red and black probe into the XT60 plug. Unscrew the crosshead screws that fix the phase wires. Unlock the brake cable with the 5mm Allen key. Then unscrew the barrel adjuster with an 8mm wrench or an adjustable wrench. Pull it out from the other side. Remove the cable clamp after unscrewing the 2.5mm Allen screw. Clean the PU foam to provide a wider tunnel for the motor cable. Carefully pull it out through the frame tunnel. Use a notched socket wrench to gradually loosen this 21mm nut. A vise also works, but will take more time. Remove the caliper after unscrewing the 2 4mm Allen screws. The motor can be removed now. Thread the motor cables through the hole on the cantilever. Put through the 21mm nut and washer. Do not forget the important thread locker. The thread locker will perform the best when the following conditions are met. A pipe-like socket wrench also works. Screw as tight as possible. Put the motor cables through the cantilever. It should be downward. Tape the cables to make it easier to get through the frame tunnel. When it gets through, pull it out. Install the cable clamp. The Allen screw is 2.5mm. Then get through the brake cable. Install the caliper with 2 4mm Allen screws. This step determines if the disc will rub with lining pads or not. Install the barrel adjuster with an 8mm wrench or an adjustable wrench. Lock the brake cable with the 5mm Allen key. Check the detailed rear fender replacement video published before. If needed, skip this part to 739 to finish the motor reassembly process. Install the orange decorative cover. Do not forget the two 3mm Allen screws on the cantilever and the gray decorative cover. Use a 2.5mm electric hex screwdriver to install the screws. Then tighten them by hand. Plug in the taillight cable. Release the taped motor cables. Plug in the white signal plug. Then the YBG phase wires. Apply the PU foam to ensure waterproofability. Connect other plugs. Fix the battery with four 4mm Allen screws. The controller with two 3mm Allen screws. Install the bottom plate. Install the 19 2.5mm Allen screws with an electric hex screwdriver first. Then tighten them by hand. The screws should be flat to the surface, not too tight or too loose, to avoid screw slip or break of plate.